Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you have this function called foo, which returns a lambda expression in C++. The catch is, when you compile this function and check the generated assembly code, you expect to see nothing, right? But surprise! You actually get a red instruction. How did that happen? Let's dive into the solution here. It seems like GCC and Clang missed optimizing this function. They could have treated it as inline to avoid emitting any unnecessary code. However, doing so might lead to issues with the one definition rule during linking. While emitting just a .global foo directive might have been a good middle ground, it's understandable why they didn't go that route. After all, the impact of optimizing this specific case would be minimal in practice. In summary, we explored a curious case where a seemingly harmless function ends up generating assembly code despite being dead code. As always, it's fascinating to uncover the intricacies of compiler optimizations. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.